it's so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. So today we're going to be opening August Glitz Glam Box. Look at this pink zebra showing up. They definitely changed their box. Super cute. Very nice. Glitz Glam Box runs $15 a month. It is plus shipping, so you end up paying $17.99 and includes 1 pair of lashes, 1 glitter item, and 2 to 3 beauty products. So let's open it up and see what they have this month. Thank you for subscribing. And at the back, it has a full list of everything included this month, and I'll just leave that for the end. This is a shader brush from Dainty Cosmetics. Ooh, I love the stem on this one. Look at that goat. Feels soft, so that's good. $4. Very nice. Yaass glitters and Christina Rice makeup. It looks like it's a collab, and it's the Fantasy palette. And this runs $36. So there is a mirror included. I'm just gonna bend that back. Wow, this is a lot of freaking colors on this thing. It's a 15 pan. I really like how they just combined all the shimmers there. So it's like in one section, it's not messing about in the middle of the palette. So that's cool. I wonder what these are named after. Some interesting names on this palette. So this is Scully. Whoa, Scully is beautiful. This is Cancamangus. What does that mean? Cancamangus? I'm gonna have to look that one up. Peanut. Wow, Peanut's like a perfect match to me. Messy Chips. It's like a shade lighter. And these are so smooth. This is Iced Coffee. Oh wow. So that's like a brownish purple? No, it's just brown. Okay. Just a Girl. Oh wow. Their shimmers are so pretty. Charmed. Ooh, I like that. BFF. Ooh, that's a nice little purple. Cheap Thrills. Ooh, that's a nice shimmer too. Okay, Yaass. Yes. Blades. Very icy. Cinderella. Ooh, wow. Oh, wow. That is so good. Playa Parasio? Playa Parasio. I don't even know what that means. Cerulean Blue. Circe. These names though. I'm like, what? You guys are putting me through my paces. I love that purple. It is so pretty. And Blue Mountain Flower. Alright, let's re-swatch Blue Mountain Flower because I can't really see that. Alright, that's the palette, and I gotta say, those colors are awesome. I started out with Blue Mountain Flower. I had to use a heavy hand because it didn't show up as at first. This is what I would term an ashy eyeshadow. BFF right underneath the Blue Mountain Flower. And this is how it's looking. It seems kind of tough for me to blend them together. I tried to go in with Peanut to see if maybe I could blend that out. Circe. Wow, this is looking very strange. But you can definitely see like the color definition. The pigment is definitely there. Playa Parasio right at the very bottom. Such a bright color. Oh, really love it. I went in with the Cerulean Blue. I wet my brush a little bit and just used it to wing out the eyeliner. I was like, I don't know where this look is going. I'm not really feeling it. And then I just did that and it's just like, okay, I'm going crazy. That's where I'm going. There are different ways you can go with this particular palette. I've been doing a lot of pinks and reds lately, so I definitely wanted to make it more purpley blue. And I think I achieved that. This is from Offa Lashes. I don't know if I've actually come across human hair before. And these are $3. I don't believe these are actually human hair. And if they were human hair, I doubt they'd be $3. Just saying, Sil. Maybe you need to double check where you're getting your stuff from. Ooh, the band is clear. I absolutely love these lashes. I think they're awesome. I love the clear band. I mean, for $3 on a lash, they're doing good. Clean color. And it's an illuminating liquid drop. What is a big dropper? That's a lot in one drop. Ooh, yes. This is what I'm talking about. So I absolutely love these drops. But I mean, this is one drop and I'm still going. It is obviously Illuminating. Alright, that's it. That was everything included in my Glitz Glam box. Bye!